In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter new bill in QuickBooks. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Open the Create, sometimes labeled New, menu. From there, choose Pay Bills. Even though we're entering a new bill, starting from the Pay Bills area is helpful because it lets you set the context for how and when you intend to pay. At the top of the Pay Bills page, pick the payment account you'll use to pay this bill, such as your operating bank account. Then select the payment date you're targeting. Setting these now helps you see available cash and plan timing. If you're viewing a long list of open bills, use the filters to narrow by vendor, due date, or other criteria so the screen stays focused on what you need. Next, click Enter New Bill. In the supplier field, choose the vendor you're paying. If the supplier isn't in your list yet, add a new one with a clear, consistent name to avoid duplicates later. Fill in the supplier's mailing address if it isn't already populated. Keeping this accurate ensures your records and any printed forms are correct. Choose the terms for this bill, like net 30 or due on receipt. Then set the bill date from the invoice you received. QuickBooks will typically calculate the due date based on your terms, but verify it matches the vendor's invoice so your aging reports are accurate. Now select the categories that best describe the expense, such as utilities, office supplies, or another appropriate expense account from your chart of accounts. This is what drives your reporting, so choose thoughtfully. In the description, add a short note that makes the bill identifiable later, such as the service period or purpose. Enter the amount exactly as shown on the vendor invoice. If the bill has multiple lines for different categories, add lines and split the amounts, so each cost lands in the right place. Take a moment to review that totals look right. If everything looks good, head to the bottom right of the bill form and click Save. QuickBooks will record the bill in Accounts Payable, and it will appear on your pay bills list ready for payment when you're ready to process it. That's it. You've entered a new bill in QuickBooks, set the payment context, captured the supplier details, assigned the correct categories, and saved it for later payment, all with clean, reliable data for your books.